When it comes to choosing a CRM for small businesses, the question of Teamgate versus HubSpot CRM often comes up. Both are popular, but which one is best for your business needs? Stick with me, and I'll walk you through the key features, differences, and some critical drawbacks of each, so you'll know exactly what works and what doesn't. By the end of this video, you'll have all the info you need to decide on the right fit for your team. Let's start with Teamgate. One thing Teamgate does well is its focus on simplicity. It's a straightforward CRM that's easy to navigate, especially for small teams who might feel overwhelmed by the more complex tools out there. You can manage your contacts, sales pipelines, and automate some key processes without much hassle. The interface is clean, and setting up your workspace is intuitive, so you won't waste time learning how to use the software. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. Teamgate offers relatively affordable plans, which is great for small businesses with tighter budgets. However, while the base plan might seem cost-effective, you'll quickly realize that some features you'll likely need, like advanced reporting and automation, come only with the higher-tier plans. This can drive the overall cost up, making it less budget-friendly in the long run if you want to scale. Now, HubSpot CRM. One of HubSpot's major selling points is its free tier. If you're just starting out and you need basic CRM functions like contact management, task automation, and deal tracking, HubSpot offers a solid solution with no cost attached. It's perfect for smaller businesses that just need the essentials without the upfront commitment. But as you grow, you'll quickly find that HubSpot's free plan starts to feel limiting, and if you want to unlock more powerful features like custom reporting and email marketing, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. The fourth thing worth mentioning is customization. HubSpot is great for businesses that need flexible, scalable solutions. With a wide range of integrations and customizations, it can be adapted to fit almost any business model. That said, it can feel a bit too complex for small teams, especially if you're not a tech expert. The interface might be overwhelming, and the initial setup can take time, especially if you're not using all of HubSpot's features. In terms of customer support, both platforms offer decent resources. Teamgate provides email and chat support, but their response time can be slower compared to HubSpot, which has an extensive knowledge base, community forums, and even a chatbot that's available 24/7. Still, HubSpot's support doesn't always get rave reviews, especially when it comes to issues that require more in-depth troubleshooting. So, after testing both systems, I have to say that both Teamgate and HubSpot CRM offer solid options for small businesses, but each has its limitations. Teamgate is simple, budget-friendly at first, but costs can add up if you need more advanced features. HubSpot, on the other hand, starts free and is incredibly scalable, but it's more complex and might feel overwhelming for smaller teams just starting out. Here's the thing, if you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, you don't have to settle for either Teamgate or HubSpot CRM. After trying all of these options myself, I found a CRM that's more intuitive, affordable, and tailored to small businesses. If you're ready to take your business to the next level with the best CRM out there, check out the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't settle for just any CRM. Try something that works smarter for your business.